Due to the decrease in precipitation caused by climate change, which can be attributed to the increasing population and environmental pollution, the world is suffering from droughts. While water makes up about 70% of the Earth's surface, most of it is seawater, and less than 1% is potable. 40% of the world's population still suffers from water shortages, especially those in islands, due to geographical limitations. Islands in Korea are no exception. If we could drink seawater, which makes up most of the Earth's surface, we would be able to stop a potential water shortage crisis. A seawater desalination vessel has a seawater desalination plant on it, produces fresh water in the sea, and supplies it to land, including island areas. The seawater desalination process refers to the entire process of producing and supplying high-purity freshwater from water intake, pre-treatment, and desalination to post-treatment. The desalination plant consists of water intake, pre-treatment, reverse osmosis, and disinfection facilities, as well as produced and concentrated water tanks. For eco-friendly desalination, renewable energy such as solar power and fuel cell technology has been applied. The pre-treatment facility consists of a feed pump, an auto screen filter, and a UF membrane. The desalination facility has a cartridge filter, an RO membrane, a high-pressure pump, a booster pump, and an energy recovery device. Seawater that has flowed into the desalination vessel through the intake pump is stored in the raw water tank and then passes through the auto-screen filter through the feed pump, where large foreign substances such as seaweed are removed. After passing through the auto-screen filter, seawater moves to the UF membrane to remove particulate matter, and then is stored in the UF-treated water tank. After seawater flows from the UF-treated water tank to the cartridge filter through the feed pump, particulates not filtered in the UF facility are removed and then supplied to the RO high-pressure pump. The RO facility produces fresh water by removing soluble substances, specifically salts, from seawater pressurized through the high-pressure pump. The fresh water is stored in the RO-produced water tank, while untreated concentrated water is stored in the concentrated water tank after pressurizing raw water through the energy recovery device. Lastly, after chlorine disinfection to ensure safety against residual bacteria, microorganisms remaining in the treated freshwater, 300 tons of potable water is supplied to islands every day. Arriving at an island, the vessel provides fresh water to storage facilities on the island using its hoses. The stored freshwater is delivered to consumers who need freshwater for household, agricultural, and industrial uses through pipelines or water supply vehicles, making this vessel a good alternative for those suffering from water shortages. As desalination facilities are installed on board, the vessel serves multi-purpose functions, including transportation of cargo, such as containers, vehicles, and heavy structures on the upper deck. The eco-friendly multi-purpose desalination vessel is the best alternative for anywhere in the world, including Korea, affected by drought, war, natural disasters, or water shortages.